it's Mercedes. Welcome back to my channel. So what you will expect on this channel is a variety of videos from beauty, lifestyle, funny videos. So if you're interested, subscribe. But what you guys clicked on today is a Walmart haul. I'm going to be showing you guys some items that I got from Walmart that are super trendy, super aesthetically pleasing, because your girl's got some taste. Okay, and if you are interested in where I got these little babies because they're so cute, ooh, I did a video on a Dollar Tree haul. So if you're interested, go ahead and click the card. I will attach it. But without further ado, let's just get started because I'm super stoked to share these with you guys. So let's go. So the first item is a water bottle. I don't know if you're like me, but sometimes I do have trouble drinking water throughout the day. So I got this water bottle. It is super aesthetically pleasing, and with the straw, it is easier just to like sip on the water. If you see your water, just go up and give it a big old gulp, and then it's easy to refill. Just pop it off right there. But look at this bottle, you guys. Like, what? And I'm gonna be leaving how much all these items were in the corner somewhere. I'll leave it up. But yeah, I got this because look how freaking aesthetically pleasing this is. First off. Second of all, it's like perfect size for your hand and whatnot. It's not like those big jugs or like the really tiny ones where you're like, is this even a water bottle and why am I carrying it? This isn't enough water. But this is the first item that I got, and I thought this was just like super trendy and you'll be looking super cute, so. Okay, so the second item are these bottles. Look how cute, you guys. These are $1 at Walmart, literally $1. And I bought 4 of these because I'm trying to be an environmentalist. So I figured if you buy at least 3 or 4 of these and you refill them and put them in your fridge every time you're thirsty or you want some water, just go ahead and grab these from your fridge. It's like having a water bottle on hand and you're not throwing it away. Because I know sometimes I buy the 40 case water bottles and I'll go through those within like a week, and all that plastic drives me insane. So I thought that was a good find. So moving on to fashion is this sports bra. I thought this was super cute because it's super aesthetically pleasing and it's super trendy, like the army print. It's very good material, so I figured you could pair this with like biker shorts, leggings, working out, just looking cute. Depending on how you want to pair it, I thought this was a good find. And the back is super duper cute. It has like a cute cutout right here. But yeah, I thought this was a good find, so. Okay, the next product is this watch. You guys, look how cute. And it was only $8.88. Like, look at how freaking cute this is. You could pair this, you could add on, you could just wear it by itself with like gold hoops, gold necklace, anything like that. And it's like super like simple. It doesn't have any writing on it or anything like that, but this is definitely just a super cute, inexpensive gold watch that looks very aesthetically pleasing because it's very dainty. So I thought that was a great find. Okay, next item we have is this body chain. I don't know if you guys could tell, but like this is what it looks like. So I figured you could wear this with like a bikini of some sort and then just tie it around your waist. Or you could wear it from like hoop to hoop on a pair of shorts. You could wear it on a pair of pants, depending on how your style is and how you want to wear it. I thought it was super, super cute, and it was only $10. So definitely inexpensive. Thank you, Walmart. Okay, next item, I have been finding these slippers a trend. Like literally everywhere on Amazon has been sold out, or everyone is trying to get their hands on them. And then Walmart was kind enough to come out with slippers for $9.97, and they look exactly like the ones that everyone is getting on Amazon. They're super cute, super comfy. I got these in a size 7-8, but they do have all sizes. They're just like super comfy house slippers and super aesthetically pleasing. I think they had cheetah, black, and white, but I thought white would fit better for my aesthetic, but definitely up to you on which ones you want to grab. Yeah, I just found that these were like super inexpensive and super comfy for the house, so good still. My brother is freaking jamming. He needs to be quiet. Anyways, fun, right? Okay, so my last item that I have for you guys is the wood wick candles. As you guys know, these can get super pricey, and Walmart definitely has them. I think probably for like $2 or $3 cheaper. I think this one was $17.
Sorry.
Oh my god, brother, my god. Fail. Love you. Sorry, this is what it's like being back at home. Proceed. My next item is a wood wick candle. I love these candles, you guys. They last forever. They smell delicious. So I found this one in white teak. If you guys could smell this candle right now, like, ooh. Okay, just picture like a really handsome guy with like muscles, and then he just like sprays cologne. smell like a man candle, that's what's inside here. I love my man candles. But they definitely have a ton of scents depending on your smell, what you guys are feeling. They have anything from like very sweet to very musky. Yeah, I love woodwick candles and Walmart has them, so. And I thought this one was also aesthetically pleasing because it's white. You could literally pair this with anything and everything. That pretty much wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was super excited to share these with you guys because they're super aesthetically pleasing. First off. Second, very inexpensive. And third, because it's at Walmart, it's super easy to get your hands on these things. Anyways, but if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Which item was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. But with all of that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!